Welcome to Sprint to Cash. 4 traders compete live. The goal?
Reach payout in 2 hours.
The first trader to succeed wins double. This is Sprint to Cash.
Well, welcome to Sprint to Cash, where discipline meets pressure and strategy gets tested in real time. I'm your host, Reah, and with me today is Anna, our head coach, who, as always, helps us break down what's happening in real time. How's it going, Anna?
It's going good. Excited to be here and see how traders perform today and what they're up to, what they're going to trade, how they're going to trade. I'm really excited to see everything.
I agree. I'm super excited. I think we have a really awesome lineup of traders today. So it's going to be really interesting to see how they navigate the markets.
Absolutely.
Now, today, we do have 4 traders. They're going to be stepping into a 2-hour challenge on a $25,000 sprint account. And what's the goal, as always, is to hit a 2% profit target, stay within a 1% drawdown, and secure a payout. Now, Anna, last week we actually had like 2 traders competing, and one of them hit profit target and walked away with a funded account, but no one unfortunately was able to double their payout. Do you think we are in for a different outcome today?
I really want to think so, because I sneaked peeked on the markets today and I think we have right amount of volatility. And I think obviously here, because this is Sprint to Cash, the more volatility, the better, because we want to see traders catch these moves quickly. So like I said, I sneak peeked in the markets. Obviously, it depends what traders are going to trade, but I think we might see today. So like, I really want to say today is the day.
I really hope so. And within these 2 hours, the trader who secures the highest payout, well, that payout gets doubled. So this isn't just trading, though. Of course, this is psychology under pressure. And I'm excited to kind of see what everybody does. So let's meet the traders.
Okay, let's go.
My name is Julian and I live in Romania and I'm a trader. I could say I'm an intraday trader. I am trading on 1 hour. So if that trade will play in a day, that's okay. If that trade will play in a couple of days, that's okay too. I do like swing trades and I tested scalping and I can't manage it. Yeah. I just micromanage it and losing successfully. Gold and indices. So okay. I don't have any forex pairs on my screen, probably because some of the like MetaTrader is charging the spread is not great, and on other aspects they have a commission as well. I'll keep up with the indices and gold. I like the challenge. Sprint is good for risk management. You can't risk much, but you have to win enough to pass the challenge. I'm not a risk taker, so I'll risk probably 0.2 or 0.1%. It's a tiny percentage. Some traders will say, oh yeah, but it's so tiny. When will I pass this challenge? I don't care. You either blow it or you pass it in, I don't know, maybe 2 weeks, maybe 2 months.
That was Julian from Romania. And I'm actually really excited to see Julian trade today, Anna, because I know that he has been working really hard towards securing a payout in general. So it would be so awesome to celebrate him securing a payout today, for sure. So now let's see who our next trader is.
My name is Ricardo, and I'm from Ecuador. It's like a mix of day trade and scalping. I don't like push the trades because it's an error. So I prefer the pace. Nothing more than gold. It's the principle is like have similars with the patrons. My plan with the gold, I can understand I might have more wins in the gold. Oh, because I see an opportunity. So the line offers different opportunities. In that case, I prefer to push me in that competition.
All right, that was Ricardo from Ecuador. Now let's see, who else do we have with us today?
Hi, my name is Vicky Rajput and I'm from India, New Delhi. So I'm trading from last 4 years, I would say in total. Like I started trading in 2021. I am an intraday trader. I do scalping very little, I would say 10 to 15%, but most of the time it's an intraday because I have my strategies, I have my restructuring before I enter any trade in the market. So it's not like, I'm just trading, just checking the charts. If it's up, do it, but down, no. So I have a disciplined structure. So I rather believe in intraday by concerning so many macroeconomic news, like the data, CPI, whether it's NFP or everything, and then I do the trading. Hands-on experience trading with gold. So like 90% I trade in USD, like gold, USD, XAU, USD, which I would say. Sprint to cash will give me a potential to trade and using my the trading structure or the trading style live, so that other traders can also see that what kind of structure I have, how I enter the market, how I exit, and how I combine both of the things like that.
Now that was Vicky from India. What I love about Vicky is the extensive experience he has with proprietary firms. So it's really kind of neat to have him here with us. He seems like he's a big leveraged fan, which is really cool. But I'm looking forward to seeing how he trades today too. So lots of focus on gold probably. But we have one more trader to meet. Let's meet him.
My name is Tumile Monakali. I'm a trader from South Africa. I've been trading since 2021. I'm a day trader. I like to trade the New York session. Don't really keep my trades for long. I use the 1 minute and 5 minute to enter my trades. Normally they take about 1 hour to 1 hour 30 minutes for them to complete, especially during the volume on New York session. I like to trade the USD majors, but more recently I've been focused on gold and Euro USD. When you start trading and you actually evolve into trading prop firm accounts, you don't get that feel as yet that you're on par with what you're doing. They say 1%. But like now I said, this is a challenge, an opportunity for me to see if I can put my skill set, put my discipline with other traders from around the world, and see if I'm really part of the 1%.
It's always nice to meet a trader, Anna, who doesn't mind diving into the majors, So
For sure.
It'll be interesting to see if Tumile chooses to trade gold like most of his peers, or if he's going to dive into those majors. But now that we've met our traders, let's really quick do a rules recap so that everyone knows. So right now we have a 25,000 sprint account. Each trader has been given an account to trade with. Their goal is to hit a 2% profit target and then manage their 1% static max drawdown. Okay, you do have a total of 2 hours to trade. So the first trader to secure a payout, builds the most profits for a payout rather, does receive double the payout. Other traders can still secure their standard payouts. And that's it. So traders, are you ready?
I'm ready. I don't know about the traders, but I'm so ready.
Are you guys ready?
Ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
All right. Very
Yeah,
good.
the beat go
10, 9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
It's on.
Okay.
It's
It is on. Let's
Let's
go.
Dinner time.
It does sound like a chow bell.
Oh my goodness.
I love that. Thanks so much. Woo. My goodness. Anna, have you taken a look at the markets today?
Yeah, I did a sneak peek. Like I said, I think volatility is good, and we are going to see for sure traders try and achieve this profit target of 2%. But you know what? Like, I'm also really interested to go and see and like talk with each trader and see what their approach is. Obviously, like you mentioned, what are they going to trade? Are they going to trade gold or are they going to trade something else? But I think markets are good. So I am really excited to just dive in and talk with traders and and pick on their brains how they are going to approach this sprint to cash.
Yeah, and we've got a few traders today that are fans of trading gold, and it's gold has been climbing a little bit this week and holding near some highs, but it's still kind of grinding near a specific price, not really breaking out above that. So I'm kind of curious to see how things move today and what if there will be any patience that will need to be applied with that. But yeah, I'm super excited though to see how things move.
Okay. So who is going to be our first trader that we're going to pick on? Maybe some trades already going on, right?
Let's see.
Okay. Rhino trader. What do you have? What are you looking at?
Well, I'm looking to multiple pairs. So even though I trade gold mostly and indices, I'm looking at indices. So at the moment I'm looking at NASDAQ. They've been already 15 minutes, the first 15 minutes of the New York Open. And I do see this gap here, which I will place an order. It was kind of filled. So I'm not going to place just yet the order. I'm just going to let it, I don't know, settle a bit. And this is the pre-market low. So we'll see how it reacts first. Yeah,
Good
I am
plan.
risking 0.2%. So I can lose 5 trades. That's the worst it can happen. And if I'm winning this one, it's going to be a good, nice ratio of 9R-ish. Yeah. Let's see.
So it sounds like, it sounds like rather than being aggressive and diving right in, you're just gonna say, you know what, I'm gonna move a little bit wiser and make sure that I leave room for mistakes.
Maybe they won't happen. But
It's also a really high risk to reward. So I guess this is one of those trades where traders are don't want to use the word hope, but like definitely with a higher risk to reward, traders allowed to lose more, but then they can cover all the losses in one trade. So this is really going to be interesting to see if this trade, let's say potentially is the winner, then this is a massive risk to reward. So this could be, the trade. So I'm really excited to see how it's going to go.
Yeah,
absolutely.
This is a sniper entry.
Very much.
For sure. Chumile is away. Let's see, Wiki, what's happening?
I'm just waiting because the thing is right now the gold is just doing some fake breakouts. It's not giving clear directional moves today. So it was mostly I would say consolidation with fake breakouts, which makes scalping tricky. So I'm just waiting. I follow the trend, so I'm just waiting for the perfect time to enter the market. If gold is not good for next 3-4 minutes, we'll check for other assets, maybe silver, but silver is proportional to gold, not as much different in terms of chart. So I will check with Bitcoin or maybe with Nasdaq.
Okay. I think patience here, right? Just the right time. We
Patience
need
is
to.
important. And the reason for patience is obviously about the rule, which is a strict rule, but all in all, it's a good rule in order to check our potential, which is a 1% static drawdown. And it's a max drawdown. So I'm not in hurry. 2 hours, wait for some good trades. It's not like I want to show, just place a trade, make a short profit. No, I'm just waiting for the entry.
Mhm. Okay, good plan. I really want to see how you're going to approach and if you're going to have enough patience to wait, because what we saw last time for the traders was when the time was starting to press, we saw all kinds of sort of things. So because here the time pressure is on as well, and that's why it's sprint to cash, right? We are sprinting.
Okay,
Right.
so just one thing I want to clear, like the 2% target is 500. So once I'm done with 500, so whatever be the profit is, that will be the actual profit, right? After
So
those 2%.
yeah, so after 2%, once you reach 2%, you are funded and you are going to have automatically a funded account. So basically, you will have a new account where you will need to log in, and whatever you make on that account, you are going to, and if you're the first one to request a payout, you are going to have it doubled, just like Reah said. And you are going to have the double payout of that. So yeah,
Got
very,
it. Got it.
very exciting to see.
The reason why I asked is obviously it's the same with every prop firm. I thought something is different because this is the first time I joined this sprint to cash. So I thought you will take that 500 buffer and then whatever we will make above 500, that will be the difference. But it's clear now. I will get another account once I'm done with
Mhm.
my target and everything. So thank you so much for clearing it. Now let me check. Perfect. Time.
Right.
Thank you.
Okay. While you are diving into the market, we are going to check Ricardo. Hey, Ricardo. How
Hi.
is it going? What is it that you're looking at?
I'm only waiting for the 4 week to close for confirmation. Depending on how it closes, I see where to enter. For example,
Mhm.
today I see buying. We see strong resistance there. So there, sorry. So it seems it's not going to go down yet. So
Yeah.
now I only waiting.
Now you just need to
like
wait. And
like I mean,
yeah. Okay. And this is like a 4-hour time frame. So just, once again, you only have 2 hours. So you still need to
mhm.
get funded. You need to achieve 2%, trading 1% drawdown. And then on the funded account, obviously you have to make the profit as well. So I'm just pushing here to that time pressure, okay? But definitely it's really good to see that you're waiting and you have your analysis in place and you're willing to wait. But you're on 4-hour time frame now. So that's like a big thing as well, right? But it's quite close to your entry, so it's looking good, I think. It is looking good. Right. Let's see. Rhino Trader. I think the NASDAQ is close. Did you take the trade?
I did.
And you lost.
I did.
Okay.
Successfully. I'm good at that.
Lost successfully. Okay.
Got to another one coming through.
Okay. Pending orders placed, which is good. So you're now just waiting to see if it's going to trigger or not.
Yeah.
Yeah, happened. You don't want to change your bias on NASDAQ because now you can see that support area
Yep.
where you want it to go. Do you think you could turn into a seller?
Yep.
Okay. Okay.
We'll see how it goes.
We'll
Where it
see how
goes.
it goes.
And where it goes.
Okay. Right. So Reah, maybe we can chat a little bit more about those bias changing, because we saw what happens is traders are buying, market goes other way, and then you switch your bias, right? So, and this is really interesting to see, because you need to now suddenly change, because you were prepared to buy, and now market is doing something else, and now you need to change your bias into sellers. And I think like mentally sometimes it is hard to do. I don't know if you have felt that, but like I've spoken with traders, and switching bias is actually not as easy. So maybe you can share your thoughts on that as well.
Yeah, absolutely. I was always taught the importance of making sure that when we trade what we see and not so much what we feel. And I think a lot of times when we create a trading bias, we don't realize how much we feel in to that bias. And so instead of just allowing price action to tell us and show us what it needs to show us, and be okay with being able to say, okay, you know what, maybe I was wrong. Maybe today sellers are stronger than what buyers are. So let's see what price action does next. Let's see if there's an opportunity for me to just benefit off of this, this switch up. So yeah, I think it's just really just a matter of being okay with letting price action tell you what you need to know at the end of the day.
Yeah. And trading what you see. Exactly that, right?
Trade
what you see.
Not what
not what you feel.
And I totally get it. It for some, it could be easier said than done. But I think over time we learn to develop a great deal of resilience and that armor, against the market, where we understand that the market at times can be very unpredictable, and there's always a 50-50 chance it can go in either direction at any point in time. So we're just prepared.
Absolutely. Prepared for anything, right?
We're prepared for anything. You have to be prepared for anything.
Right. Okay. Let's quickly also check in with our trader, Chamile. Let's see if he has started to trade or taken any trades. How is it going? Okay. You're muted, so please unmute yourself. Okay, there we go. Looks like we have a little bit of internet connection issues. That's all right. Jamila, we will get back to you, okay? We'll get back to you in a little while. Okay. Right, so we'll see if Jamila can sort out like these little issues. That's what it is, technology. Sometimes it happens and it's all right.
You can't live with it and you can't live without it, Anna. There's a thin line between love and hate when it comes to technology.
Oh my. Yeah, love and hate. Sometimes like I use this love and hate relationship between the assets that you trade, like between the asset and yourself. So it's like, I don't know why always Euro USD gets picked on, but it's like most of the times it's like the first pair that traders are trading, and it's like love and hate relationship there. So that's quite interesting. Right. Okay. Maybe check in with other traders. There we go. Vicky is focusing. I see that we took a little loss, which is okay. A little loss was taken. We do see a lot of volatility on gold. Gold is now very much volatile. I'm also interested to see if Ricardo actually got tagged in, because he had his pending order on gold. We can see that Ricardo. Did you enter the trade?
Yeah.
Was it taken out, or are you still in?
No. Right now I'm holding.
Okay, holding. Okay, good. And Rhino Trader?
I'm in a trade as well.
You're in the trade as well. Okay. Buying DAX.
Buying, yes.
Okay. This looks good. This looks really interesting. Look at the movements. I mean, look at those big candles. This is what traders want, right? Volatility. We want to see that volatility, and we are seeing it right now. So we will see in a minute what's going to happen. And gold is volatile as well, very much. So this is really, really interesting to see.
Were there any news? Someone spoke, opened their mouth?
That's it, right? We need to check. Was there any news? Did someone say anything? Right? That's how the market works these days. You sit in on the Twitter to see if something happened. Well, X.
I don't have Twitter, so.
Oh no.
It doesn't look like anything too crazy, news-wise. Let me see.
Yeah. There is a volatility for sure, because when you look at it, just look to your left, the market was calm, and now 2 candles just take everything. So I would say this is volatile. This is not like a normal condition, right?
Yeah.
So, but we need to see if it's going to help traders to get closer to that payout, or it's going to put them further away from that profit target. So I'm interested to see how is Ricardo doing. Is Ricardo still holding the trade? Still holding the trade. Still holding on. You were saved by the pip, I must say. How are you feeling? Are you okay? Are you all right?
No.
Maybe you can talk us through how much risk did you take on the trade? Just so we can see.
Drop it.
Oh my! Was it a bit too much risk, or it's all right? It's all right. I guess it's all right.
Yeah.
So now we just need to see gold push higher. But is it going to happen?
I don't know.
Who knows?
We'll see. I mean, right now we're getting a little bit of rejection. So
yep.
Let's see what happens.
Yeah, looks like. Did you try to go into this trade and like try and reach the profit target with your TP? Because at least it looks like it. What can you please tell us what is going to be amount if your TP is actually hit?
Oh, right. My TP is in 200 pips, 2,000.
Yeah.
Now, but if right now put 2,000 is like closed. So.
Right. See if you go into your MetaTrader. If you go into MetaTrader and you hover around your take profit, then it's going to show you
a lot of liquid in here. So.
Oh, you want to keep it? Okay, gotcha.
Yeah.
Well, we just need to see the bullish pressure. And currently, looking at that big bearish candle, it's looking quite dangerous, I would say, for buyers. It's looking quite dangerous. But I also like where your, I think where your stop is, it's a safe area for sure, because it's below all that liquidity there. So it's interesting to see what's going to happen next. Okay. Right, let's check in with other traders maybe quickly, because market is moving, and this is what we want in Sprint to Cash. We want to see market move, right? Okay, let's see Rhino Trader. What are you up to? Holding on for that beautiful long.
So what I will do, if this one goes in my direction, I'll double the size. So I'm going to add to the winning position. And double it until the account is allowed, and then maybe I'll reach the target with a good amount. Because that's why C-Trader is good. You know, like this one here, it looks good. So I'll double it. Risk is the same, even lower now. It's tiny. It's $20. It was 50, now it's 20. But my profit is not doubled, but it's better.
It is better.
Target. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'll double it again. If it moves again in my direction, I'll move the stop loss and I'll double it again.
Great. Okay. Well, and you're going to be halfway through. So we will check in with you in a little while to see how you're doing. So just patiently wait. Do not do anything. Just let your idea work out. I want to check in quickly with Chamila because it looks like technical issues are sorted and we see MT5. So hey, maybe you tell us, what are you looking for? What is it that you want to do today here in Sprint to Cash?
Okay, so basically, just before the New York Open, we saw some little bit of a consolidation here, right? And so on the 15 minutes, so what I was waiting for before my electricity went out, I saw that the liquidity was taken just above this 15-minute candle, which gave us which gave us the consolidation. So once it swept that liquidity, I knew that we were actually just going down, right? And so what I've marked here, what I'm marking here is that 15-minute, first 15-minute of the New York session open. So actually, this electricity did something on me. We still have load shedding here. So I actually missed my entry here on this 5-minute candle. Because I did see this rejection after liquidity was taken out, and I saw. Okay, let me just delete this. So what I saw is that after this liquidity was taken out, this candle, it gave us that selling pressure. So I was waiting for this candle to open and at least attempt to take 50% of this candle. So I would have put my sell entry at this point. However, I had that technical glitch. So what I'm waiting on now, I'm waiting for the market to at least push up. To at least push up to this level again, where I'll actually take a sell.
Nice.
Yeah, and then take a sell
I
because
like that.
I'm already seeing very good selling pressure. I'm just hoping the time won't be against me for this thing to actually push up until yeah.
And you only want to trade one pair, which is gold. You're not going to look into anything else at all? Like anything different? Different assets?
Yes, I have been looking at also Euro USD. However, I think I might take an entry here.
Right. It looks so bearish, and I feel sorry for Ricardo because we have a trader who is in longs, who's buying gold. Okay. Right. Well, Chamila, I wish you all the best. Make a good decision based on what you see. Just like me and Reah, we just spoke about it. We trade what we see and not what we feel. We trade what we see.
Exactly.
Okay. It looks good. I think markets are looking really good now. There's a lot of volatility for sure going on. Maybe a quick check-in with Ricardo just to see if he survived, if his stop loss was not hit. Okay, we're still in. We're still holding on.
We're still holding.
Oh my. Ricardo, you okay? How you feeling? We're just checking in with you.
Oh yeah, I only seeing reels, so only have to wait.
Yeah, wait. Just have to wait. You seem very calm though. Like I love this. I love to see traders are calm. Like even though there's a lot of volatility, I think I'm more hyper than you are. So this is good. I think this is good.
Yeah, I think that I guess managing your emotions well, or being regulated while you're trading is so important.
Yeah. Just chill. Drink water. It's good.
It's good because then it keeps you away from making impulsive decisions in the market, right? Ricardo has this nonchalant, look as if, hey, it's either gonna work out or it's not. So let's see. But I love that. That's a great mentality to have. Seriously. We definitely don't want the markets working us. We want to be the ones to work the markets.
Yeah. Right, Vicky. Vicky is doing something, looking for something. I see support there. I see on gold there is a really nice support. I think maybe that's what also Ricardo is buying. But
Yeah.
Vicky, do you want to update us? Or it's okay if you don't want to speak. Maybe you're just in the zone and really focused. So we're not going to disturb you here. But if you want to update us, just unmute yourself and tell us what is it that you're looking at.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
So as I can see, obviously my last trade was, I thought it was within my risk parameter, but now whatever happened, I'm not concerned about the loss. My next step is to reassess the market structure. And as far as I can see, gold was not is, it was respecting the same trend, but now I can see a pullback, but I will wait for this M15, like 15-minute candle to finish before I enter the market again, because I guess it's again a fake pullback and it will again come to, as according to me, the market is choppy. So for next few minutes, I would say 4 or 5 minutes, I will stay out of, avoid any forcing trade or something like that, because I've already taken one loss. So I will be more selective now.
Okay. Very, very clever and wise decision, I would say. So sit out a little bit and then let's see what the market is going to give. Okay, well, we will check in with you in a couple of minutes. As just you said, you want to sit out. Rhino Trader, how we're getting on in that trade? How is things for you?
Well, looking all right. Not great, but,
All right.
I'll see what I can do. If I can hold it. If I've got the patience.
You got the patience.
That saying, God, give me patience. Now!
Demanding patience straight away.
You say that, Rhino, and then, and then you get led to trading. And then you're being in a position now where you are being forced to learn how to be patient.
Well,
Yep.
I'll do my best.
Oh my. Okay.
Let's
So
see how this one plays out. As far as it looks good, So
Yeah.
if it moves beyond this 61%, so I moved my stop loss to just a little bit over break even. I doubled it twice the size. So let's see. If it moves above it, I'll double it again. Then I can close it earlier. So yeah, let's see.
it is on that 50% level. So this is I guess this is like that crucial area in the market where we want to see, obviously in your case, we want to see the breakout. We want to see the price go fully bullish and break that level.
Yeah, exactly. And not looking back. Not even in the rear view mirror. Just go.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Okay.
You know what the blind man said?
What?
You know?
No.
We'll see.
A what?
The blind man said, "We'll see."
We'll see. Yeah, we'll see at some point. Okay, so 50% was rejecting there. Right. It's looking interesting. Maybe we should check because I think we're getting close to 30 minutes in. So it's 1 hour and 30 minutes.
Isn't it funny how time flies when you're having fun?
Yes. 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 And I think especially now because there is a time pressure for sure. Time is flying. In times like this, you wish the time was just going slower, but it is flying. It is flying.
Yes. And I was thinking about, I actually wanted to talk about how, gosh, I forgot who was it? Was it Vicky who said that he's being more selective on his trades, right? And it made me think about quality over quantity.
Yeah.
And man, I think that is actually something that is so important. And, when we're navigating the markets, it's being able to identify which trades are have a higher probability than others,
Yeah.
and being willing to wait for that more high probable trade as opposed to jumping in, trying to get in where we can fit in,
Mhm.
So I love that. I love that quality over quantity mentality.
Mhm. Yeah. It also, like, less is more, right? I think that also goes there. Like, they go hand in hand in there. But about that quality, I think this is what traders learn into their journey. So the longer you start to trade, like, the longer you trade, the more you learn. And I think that's where you find these, like, little things, less is more, or quality over quantity, or patience. You need to wait for it. So I think it's just, like, learned through the journey. But really, I can definitely agree on this, that quantity should not be what we're focusing on, but quality.
Mhm.
And also, when you record your trades, when you record your data, then seeing those quality trades where you have executed according to your plan, you have applied proper risk management, where you knew that you have journaled and your emotions were in check, those trades you want to repeat, right? And you want to take that quality and repeat it. And you don't want to do like that quantity of, oh, I took this trade, this worked out, but maybe there were some issues in there. So I think, honestly, like, if traders could just focus on that quality, it would be amazing. It would help so much, and they would see
Yeah.
the equity curve moving higher, because you're taking the good setups. So yeah.
And
Right.
I was just going to say too, and coupling that too with what we talked about in the very beginning, where we talked about that that low, that risk to reward aspect too, risking less for the potential to gain so much more. So if you couple being a little bit more picky with your trades, having a sense of quality over quantity, and then you couple that with great risk to reward, man, you're setting yourself up for some serious profitability over time.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I agree. Right. I really want to check in with the traders, because I want to see what's
Do it.
happening, because gold is pushing. So we can see gold is pushing higher here. And Chamila, I actually want to see what Chamila is doing, because he said he's going to enter the trade. Did he take the trade? He didn't.
I haven't
Waiting.
taken the trade yet. I'm looking at this. On the 15-minute, you'll see that 15-minute has given us a high and a low. So this 15-minute, the bullish one, just gave us a high and a low. So I'm waiting for at least this high to be taken out. But I'm also interested in taking an entry right at this 1 hour gap here, inefficiency that I see here. So if price can come here, this is more of a trade I would be willing to take at this point here. However, I might scale in just a little bit at just if it takes this low, because there's some fuel left here. So I'll just wait for the next 15 minutes, and I'll be willing to take a trade. Yeah.
Okay.
This level,
And you will take a trade as soon as it touches your area, or you need to have some sort of confirmation of the candle closure, or maybe candle pattern, or you will be like, hey, once it touches your zone, you're going to get in the trade?
Normally I would wait. I would wait for some confirmation, right?
Yeah.
However, that push down, especially with that liquidity being taken just above here, so I can see the selling pressure is really on. So if it just touches here, and I'll put my stop loss above the area of inefficiency. So I think at that point I would be risking about 0.25% on this trade. Yeah.
Okay. So now we just need to wait and see. Patience, right?
Yeah.
We're practicing
Yeah,
patience
patience.
here for the price to pull to your zone, your desired zone. And then you can make a decision based on if you think the price action is good or not. And this is, again, what we talked about, trade what you see and not what you feel. So I'm really looking forward to see how you're going to adapt to this market, and if you're going to wait. Okay, right. Let's check in with Ricardo. How you're feeling? Price is going.
Yes.
You're break even.
No, I only waiting.
You're only waiting. Actually, I wanted to ask you. So maybe you consider taking partials if price is pushing, or you don't want to mess with your risk reward, mess with your risk. You don't want to take any partials.
No, I don't take any partial. I have o sea, in personal, once I'm inside, I leave it there. And I could make it another things.
Okay, so we just wait. It's like either stop loss or take profit. And to be fair, I trade the same way. I don't like taking partials. I don't like putting the break even. I just wait, either my stop loss or my take profit. So you're very similar to myself, the way I trade. So yeah, it's going to be interesting. Reah, for me, what it is actually that now we have two traders. So Ricardo is buying, right? And Chamila is trying to sell. So this is a really interesting situation because, is it going to affect the traders, how they think, how they do analysis? Because they maybe can see one is doing something else, another one is doing something else. So it's like a peer pressure thing, I guess. And sometimes in trading, you can get that, right?
You can, but sometimes in trading too, two sides of the coin can be true, right? There can be bearish opportunity as well as bullish opportunity. I guess it just depends on when you execute your trade. So both traders can absolutely be right, for short-term opportunities. It's just a matter of who gets in and where,
Yeah.
So obviously Ricardo got in at a pretty decent area of support there to take price up. So he's back at break even right now, but there's still potential, for that to go up a little bit more into that fair value gap that Chumile was talking about, right? Where he was looking for price to fill that gap before making a decision to sell. So it's very possible that we could see two sides of the coin being fulfilled today. It's just a matter of waiting and seeing.
Well, I think it also depends on where they stop losses are. And basically, if Chamila gets in, then I think he's going to be stopped out before, Ricardo can take a profit. And other way around, if Chamila sells and his profit is hit, then Ricardo is going to be taken out. So sometimes you can't win on both sides. Like you will be losing no matter what. It's like that's what it is. Trading at its best. But sometimes, yes, I know that there is situations where, for example, especially if you're swing trading, right, and you're selling, but someone else is doing like an intraday trade and they're buying. Obviously, then it does work out. But I think today we're here in like a real competition between the traders there. One is doing one thing, another one is doing another. But also like looking at Ricardo, look, he's really calm. He's very in the zone and he's not affected by whatever we are saying. He's just like, I know my analysis, I know my strategy. This is what I'm waiting for, and this is what I'm going to do. So yeah, it feels like our traders today are very focused on patience. They have patience. They can wait. So yeah, I'm interested to see. I want to check in with Rhino because he was buying. I want to see what happened to that trade. Okay, we're out of the trade. It pulled back.
It did. Because I doubled it again. So it was like 3 times, I think I doubled it. So I moved my stop loss to break even because if I was losing the account. That was it. So I had to move it. And I am in another trade, which is moving against me successfully.
Yeah, that is NASDAQ moving against you successfully, I guess going for that pullback. But there is the resistance area. I can see it straight away. And I think, sales are looking still good. We just need to wait and see if it's going to work out in your direction or not.
Well, that's the beautiful orb strategy that people are talking about. So let's see if they are right or wrong. I don't know.
Right or wrong. There's 2 options. Anyways, right? You're either right or you're wrong. That's trading in its core, 50-50, right?
You either learn or you earn.
You either learn or you aren't. I love that. I
love
do.
that too. I love that too. Hey, Rhino, so when it comes to stacking positions on a trade that's going in your direction, is that something you generally do as a strategy for yourself, or is it just something that you
Well,
want to do now to try to hit that profit?
I like Tom Hugard's style. So he's adding to his positions, his winning positions always, compared to other traders that are adding to their losing positions, thinking that they can get a cheaper deal. Well, if I'm adding to my position, I managed to get an account like that, just like that, by adding to the position. So I think it was a sprint account. So I managed to get to 200 in one trade because I added up, and then when I reached 200, I closed the trade. So yeah, it can work in your favor if the market is good and you double it on a pullback, not on its way up on the highs, let's say.
You know, I've done that too, actually, on my swing trades where I might, for example, instead of, risking a full 1% right at the very beginning, I might risk 0.5%, wait till I see I'm in a certain amount of profit, then wait for, a retest and then enter again with that other 0.5%, and then continue taking it up. That way, if I'm wrong, I only lose half, in the beginning instead of the full 1%. So that's definitely a strategy I've taken myself.
Yeah. And so if you're thinking of risking, I don't know, like you said, percent, then you can split it into two. It can work both ways, I guess. You can add to a losing position. So you think, okay, I'll risk 1%. No, I'll risk 0.5% now, and I'll risk the remaining later if it's going against me. But most of the time, it is going against you, and it is just stopping you out. So, but you're not losing a full percent. You're losing less. Like, let's say, it depends where you put your next order. If you put it next to your stop loss position, then it's just over 0.5%.
Yeah. Okay. I think we need to check in with Ricardo because gold is doing some interesting moves there, right? Definitely doing some interesting moves there. And I actually like the price action on 1 minute. Maybe Ricardo, can you comment on price action on 1 minute? What do you see?
Only see it's for only to see if I close before. But right now it's okay. It's going good.
It's going good. Yes, for sure. It's like we need to see if it's going to start to make these higher lows. And I like how there's a double bottom as well. So you can see a little pattern there. So that's also 1 minute. And this is like what I do as well, like micromanaging, right? So you're like looking at each candle and you're trying to figure out what the market is telling you. So you're like just looking at it and you're waiting and you're like, come on, market, just do what I want. But it is looking good though. Like this price action, I must say, it's still looking really good for bullish gold, right?
Yeah, I agree.
Okay. Yeah. It's still teasing though. Like it's such a teasing.
It's the tease today for sure.
For sure. Right. Vicky is still waiting, I see, patiently. He has taken one loss and now waiting.
Because if you will see my chart, on this chart, the market is clearly in a downtrend because I'm not using so many complicated indicators today. I did some research. Obviously, the first thing, it's not in my favor, but today I'm just using that, EMA 50 indicator for M15 and, M5, candles. So we had a consolidation phase where price moved, I would say, sideways, and then a strong bearish breakout happened, indicating institutional selling and breakout structure, which is obviously, the thing which I was not expecting currently. Because before I enter the market, if you'll see the candles, it was like like I can't say that was the perfect time to enter in the market, but I did. I thought it's better to grab some tips, but yes, it's against it. But currently, price is retracting, so I'm just waiting for that price to be retracting from that drop, and I'm not entering immediately. I'm waiting for some couple of minutes more now, and we'll have a look on my EMA for the perfect resistance zone. If you will check my chart for R1 frame, it's still on the support. The support,
Mhm.
it will see, check my support. It has not broken that support yet. So, still there's a chances that it's going up now. Whatever bearish thing happened. We'll check for
Mhm.
some few minutes before I, re-enter. So now my plan is to wait and then place a trade.
Okay, right. Really solid plan. Really solid plan. And I love how focused you are. And this is what we need to see in disciplined traders, right? So focus, knows exactly what you want to do, how you're going to approach the market. So just patience here and waiting for market to. Have you heard like saying wait for the market to come to you and don't chase the market, right? So I think this is exactly what you're demonstrating now here is that you're waiting for the market to come to you and you're not chasing. Really, really great to see this. Yeah, really good. Okay. Right. How about if we check in what time is saying? How much time we have left? It's 1 hour and 13 minutes.
Almost down to an hour.
Oh my.
Going by so very fast.
I think the plan would be to get funded in first hour and then build on second hour. But we already saw that, sometimes it just doesn't work that way, and traders can take more time in trying to get funded and then try to sprint to that cash in remaining time. So this is really interesting to see what's going to happen if the traders are going to start to maybe pick up a little bit on their either risk or add another asset. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see what's going to happen.
Yeah. And do you see what's happening on gold right now?
No, I'm not looking. What's happening? What is happening?
We're getting some more bullish momentum so we got a break of 4797 where before kind of just hanging underneath there, teasing us, not doing anything.
Teasing us, not doing anything.
But we got a little bit of momentum there. So I know Ricardo's feeling good about that. And
for sure.
So I don't know. We'll see what happens.
We'll see what happens for sure.
And this is like hour is going to put a lot of pressure for sure.
Exactly. And also see how momentum does, like how the price does. It goes up and then it goes down. It goes up and then it goes down. And sometimes you're just stuck in there and you're like, just do something, like anything, either bearish or bullish, just make a decision, right? So sometimes market is just what we said, like in the teasing, and you're teasing it. And I think this is where exactly traders get tested the most, is not when markets are trending, but when markets are ranging, when there's like this ping pong thing going on, right? And I think exactly also from my experience, this is where emotions start to stir and you're like starting to get impatient. You're starting to get like annoyed, I would say. You just want to see your either stop hit or profit hit. And this is like that emotional place where market is doing zigzag or ping pong, right? Just ranging. And this is where the traders drink that emotional cocktail, I would say. And it's like really the place where you don't want to be. But it's also really good to see how well today's traders, Rhino and Jamila and Wiki and Ricardo, all of them are actually demonstrating a lot of patience, a lot of waiting, sitting on your hands. So for me, this is really good to see. It truly is. It's good to see that they are sprinting, like they are sprinting to cash, but they are doing it in a wise way, I want to say, right? They're not rushing.
With a little bit more precision, a little bit more, more calculated in their decision making. And that can be tough. Intraday trading has always given me anxiety, Anna. Like, if I didn't have anxiety before, I definitely have anxiety during that. So
Yeah.
my hats off to you traders who can scalp,
Mhm.
who can intraday trade, because when there's volatility in the market, I mean, it's definitely yo-yoing and playing with your emotions. And so you really have to be secure in your decision making.
Yeah, definitely. And you know what? Like I am also really impressed, I must say, on the patience that Chamila is demonstrating. We are in, an hour almost, right? And there's no trades taken. No trades. We are waiting. Patiently waiting. Jamila, how about an update? How about if you update us on maybe you have changed the plan or added an asset? We want to see if you're still locked into this. Okay, and you took a trade. Sell trade is on. Look at that. Oh, that sound. I know that sound.
So I looked at this structure on 1 minute, and I saw that it did give some sort of a resistance here, and then it broke above that resistance, came in. There was a little bit of a gap that was left here,
Yeah.
and then it came and respected that. So I looked to see what it would do on this resistance that it gave us here. So I see
Mhm.
that it came back in with a very sharp bearish 1 minute candle. So I
Mhm.
took a sell here, and my stop loss is just above this high. If it gets taken out, then I'll know it's coming for that ideal sell that I
Mhm.
wanted at this point here. Yeah.
Mhm.
So if it breaks above here, then I'll know it's coming right up here.
Mhm. Right.
But I see
And how about your
it might
profit?
just be rejected from this. Come
Yeah.
again?
How about your profit target? Where is it going to be your profit target for this first position?
Um, ooh,
Targeting the WEX.
yeah, the
Dangerous.
previous lows during the 264.
Yeah. Okay. Right. We are in the trade. Reah, we are in a very interesting moment because two traders going against each other. One is selling and one is buying.
Yes. I find it
Oh,
so fascinating how the same asset can be traded in two different ways.
many ways, right?
You,
Mhm.
at the same time. It just goes to see that traders can identify and see different things at different times. You know, I think
Yep.
that I think this is why it's so important as a trader, right, to develop your own process and your own relationship,
Absolutely.
your own relationship with the markets, your own relationship with your assets that you trade,
Mhm.
right, and finding your own edge instead
Mhm.
of becoming dependent on someone else's.
Mhm.
Because at least when you lose based off your own edge, it's like it doesn't hurt as bad. It's kind of like, okay. But when you're relying on someone else's analysis, it's kind of like you start blaming someone else.
Mm. Instead of yourself. Yeah.
Yeah. So I think it's so important to develop your own edge. And
Mhm.
it's very interesting to see how things play out.
Yeah, it is. It is for sure. So, and I'm interested to see also what traders are going to do once we are below that 1 hour. And I think we need to check what time does it show on our clock. So it is just 6 minutes left to hit 1 hour, Reah. And I was thinking maybe we could tell the traders that they can use a second opportunity. What do
Hmm.
you think? Hey, traders, we have news for you.
We do have news for you guys. Is everyone listening?
Yes. Yes.
You all have been doing such an amazing job practicing patience, making sure that you protect your capital so you don't blow your account. But guess what? If you do blow your account, you get the opportunity to get a whole brand new sprint account to trade with. So what that means for you is if you want to be a little aggressive, you absolutely can. Because if you lose your account, you can just start all over again. So the choice is yours, traders, if you want to take advantage of an opportunity to see if you can hit that profit target sooner, or go for it.
Yeah. So I'm really excited to see what the traders are going to do, especially if you are in the drawdown now and you have closed a couple of trades or one trade. So you can make a decision because you have access to a second account. It is in your dashboard. Credentials are in your dashboard. You can use them and you can start to trade a fresh account and give it a second go, I guess. So traders, you know it. So Reah, I'm excited to see. Let's wait maybe a couple of minutes what traders are going to do. And then we'll see if someone is actually going to take the opportunity, because Vicky is in the drawdown. So is Rhino. And obviously Jamila and Ricardo, they're both having the trades, but they're going against each other. So this is really interesting moment, I guess, to see what the traders are going to do. So we'll keep the suspension, I guess, and then we'll see what's going to happen in a couple of minutes if some of them will decide to change account and start fresh, because clock is ticking. So yeah, Reah, what do you think? What's going to happen? I want you to see the future.
I think, like that's so Raven from the Disney Channel. I don't know, but I think there's always a chance for at least one trader to see it, to seize an opportunity, shoot their shot, because with that one shot that they shoot, they either have a 50-50 chance of hitting that, that target and, or blowing their account, but really they have nothing to lose if they blow their account because they can just start fresh. So, I would love to see some action, but I have no idea. By the way, gold is dropping it like it's hot right now.
Yeah. And I think Ricardo is starting to maybe feel a little emotion. Look at this. This is like, oh my goodness.
And I was thinking about asking Ricardo, do you want to secure your profits? What do you think?
No, it's okay. It's okay. I look.
But you know what? You weren't entirely wrong, because you did get some bullish movement there, Ricardo.
Yeah, I'll see later.
And there's still a possibility that where price comes to that area of support, it could create a double bottom and then go right back up too. So there's that possibility too. So you've got your stop loss in a decent spot. Let's see what price does when it comes back down. If it'll grab and hit your, if they'll hit your stop loss, or if it'll just kind of up.
Oh.
And it dropped. It dropped. It dropped like it was hot. See, as I was talking, it said, "Be quiet, Reah."
Okay, let's check in with Jamila because he is hitting profit. So let's
take profit. Come on.
Let's take profit. Come on, let's go.
Give me TP.
Straight to TP. Let's go.
I just can't figure out where to see my running profit. I normally trade on my phone, so I've been searching.
It's 346. Yeah. So I think once you hit the take profit, you will reach the profit target of 2%, and you will get funded.
Yeah, because my TP is 623.
Move it a bit higher, because you don't need, like, literally, if you would hit the take profit, you would already be funded.
I would have
been 5 to move it higher. Move it higher. More, because you only need 500. Move it higher.
Let's see, where's 500? 500 somewhere here. See if it
flips. Just a bit lower. Now take it lower, because you don't want to miss out on a couple of dollars, or you will need to try to get funded.
Let's see.
There we go. This is great.
If this 1 minute flips, then because we left, this 1 minute does not have a week at the bottom here. So it might want to. go back down there.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, that's a bad rejection on the 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Not
Yeah,
so
I-
nice.
Wait. This
5 minutes not looking so nice.
They just
Mm.
snatched everybody's money. They just
Yeah. Not so nice on the 5 minute. See, 15.
Yeah, this wants me to tell coulda, shoulda, woulda, because you literally could have been funded already and trade on your funded account now.
Well, I really could not see where I can check, what running profit I am. I still don't even now. I just put the TP based on a 1 hour structure.
Right.
When I put my TP, it was just around this part here because I saw there was no week here. So normally the market normally goes for those areas with no week, even if it's going to push higher, but it normally
Yeah.
comes back to create at least that week here, So that's why I put my
Yeah.
stop loss, my take profit at this zone here. But let's see.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see.
Yep. Let's
how
see.
exciting.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Vicky is waiting. I see there was a little a loss again on Becky's account. Becky, you don't want to start your second account because you can literally start from fresh account because currently you're very, very close to, you're only like $18 close to breach your account. Do you want to maybe log in your second opportunity account?
Yes, I think it's better to log into the second.
Yeah. You should just, you should be able to switch through your accounts there and log in into a fresh 25K account. This is how we do it, guys. Here we give opportunity to traders.
Yes.
Let's go. Okay, so fresh accounts, loading, good, like another chance. And oh, Reah, gold is doing so dirty now. This is just, you don't want to look at it. Where's Jamila? How you feeling, Jamila?
This is not good.
Oh, we close our eyes. It's a huge rejection candle, like huge
That's a
rejection
huge,
on 5 minutes.
especially on the 5 minutes. Yes.
Mm-hmm. Definitely.
So this is what's gonna happen. What is going to happen? Price is just pushing higher. Okay, I see lowering the risk. This is good, I think. I do think there is now we're pulled back to support, previous support, which is now could be used as a resistance. Exactly right now, looking where those on the left where was a support area. So yeah, we are in a very interesting situation here. So this is again, I must say, now or never. We want to see now or never what is going to happen.
Close.
So, yeah.
That feeling of being so close,
So close.
hitting the profit target, and then price just turning around. Oh, that's so like the markets,
Yeah, that's what it is. Right, let's check in with our traders and see where each of them are, starting with Rhino. Hey,
Good morning,
Rhino.
everyone.
So you are still in a little bit of drawdown. You are like $39 in drawdown on your first account.
I know,
and
I
see that
recovered some of them.
You
Some of the
did,
losses.
yes, you did recover. So you still are going to trade on the same account, right? You're not
Yes.
going to switch. Okay,
No.
okay. So the plan
And-
is to still trade.
Can I give an advice to Jamil? If he's looking in the tabs there and he's looking for terminal, press on the terminal and he's going to see his profit at the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
let's quickly go to Chamila and I'll try and guide him there. So see if you click on view, yes,
Okay.
and then toolbox. Click on the toolbox. I think it should be
Yes.
toolbox, right? Yeah. Click on it. Oh no, that's a wrong one. Just give me a wee second.
Oh, yeah, there. Yeah, I found it. Thank you very much.
Status bar. Okay, there we go. There we go. 158. Let's go. Okay, so good luck to you. We're going to check in back on Rhino and let's see what his approach is going to be then. So recovered a little bit of accounts, which is good.
And I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah, market is
Funny,
teasing.
but look at this. This line on gold. This line was drawn before the session began. So I think it was on 15 minutes or something like that. So I looked at this line and I said, oh, it's an interesting place to put a trade. I didn't.
No limit order or anything. Yeah, that could have been really, really
it could
good.
have been a nice, beautiful place. And it was a good rejection. But that's it. I missed the opportunity. I'll look for this one. See if it bounces. Maybe I'll catch something. A fish, maybe. If not,
you would not sell now then?
Not now.
Okay, gotcha.
I'll wait a little bit. Maybe I'll sell a bit higher. If maybe here. Yeah. Let's place this alone. Analysis is good. So. I like to
just
use
again
this.
Need to wait.
Yeah. I like to use this tool because it's a nice tool.
Risk to reward, yeah, for sure. And we are under 1 hour.
Less than 1 hour.
Pressure. So
much pressure, especially when you haven't hit your profit target yet.
I know. That was a little sad, I would say. That was a little sad situation there.
Yeah, that was so close. But, I don't know. There still could be a chance.
There could be. So, yeah. Maybe we need to check with Ricardo because...
Yeah, I'm curious to know how Ricardo is doing.
Ricardo is now on a new account, right? So, because you've reached your previous one. So this is your second opportunity. What is it that you're looking at? What do you think gold is doing next?
Oh, seeing that, don't feel the parallel graph right here. A gap is here. So I right now I only waiting for a confirmation.
Okay, waiting for confirmation. Still have time. We still have under 1 hour, so there's definitely still time. And need to wait and see. Okay. Waiting game. Chamila is probably getting a bit happier now because gold is going into your direction.
I'm seeing some rejection on the previous support. Hey, so I'm just hoping it holds.
Yeah, it's looking really good. I like that bearish candle there as well. Nice rejection from previous support that is now used as a resistance. Very simple price action there as well. And I would say I really want to see more bearish pressure now. Like as long as we keep that level rejected. So see, this candle is not looking good. we need to see more bearishness, like nice wick or like a beautiful rejection candle. That also would be really nice to see. So this is I would say a little nerve-wracking, like for me, like especially because the price was lower and there was potential to already be in
the 1 hour. The 1 hour is not looking good. Because we just have about 8 minutes for it to close. So I'm seeing that the next hour when it opens, for it to push down, it'll first push up.
Yeah,
you see how this hour is how the candle is looking. It for the next hour to push down, you obviously have to first push up to go grab
Yeah.
some liquidity above here. So
Yeah.
I'm still gonna look at the 1 hour and 1 minute and see.
Yeah. It's looking interesting, I would say. So it is like a really big thing now. We need to wait for 8 minutes to see how the 1 hour candle is going to close. And I think from that, then Jamila is going to make a decision what to do, either to stay in the trade or to close, or maybe even to change bias. So a very, very, very important situation, I guess, on what's going to happen. But yeah, 1 minute is still looking okay. It's still rejecting. It's still giving that rejection. So this is good. This is good for sure. So 8 minutes, 7 minutes. This is how things get decided. 7 minutes, and we can see what the market is going to do. So exciting. What exciting times. So in 7 minutes, we will know. And for now, I think Rhino Trader is in the trade, I can see. And Vicky is still waiting. Rhino is in the trade. Decided to sell gold.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have both traders. Jamila and Rhino is on the same direction, so same bias.
I thought if I add some weight.
Oh, add some weight. Okay. We're moving market together here. Right. Yes. Let's go. Oh my. Yeah, let's I think it's just as Jamila described, analysis on this is 1 hour candle has to close and then we'll know more. But for now, gold is kind of, obviously 50-50, right? It's either going to go up or either going to go down. But currently it's a sticky situation, I would say. Sticky situation. Needs more patience, needs more waiting. But yeah, that's interesting.
Looks like the market calmed down a bit.
Yeah, it does.
It doesn't move. It's like everybody's waiting for something.
Mm-hmm. And nothing is happening, right? Waiting for something, but nothing is happening. Oh, the life of a trader. That's what it is. The life of a trader. Right. Let's see. Ricardo is still waiting as well. I can see that they're still waiting. No trade is taken on the new account. They're still waiting. Still very chill, right? I want to say still very much in the zone. So really, really good to see this. Very good performance, I think, from our traders today. Very good performance.
Right now, I see the consolidation, the price.
Yeah. And obviously, this is 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
1 minute consolidating. And that rejection wick is something else. Yeah. Very interesting time frame. 3 minutes. I see more and more traders actually use like different time frames. Because normally the original ones, let's say, is 1, 5, 15, 1 hour, 4 hours daily and weekly and monthly. So now I see traders do like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 20 minutes. So it's really interesting.
I actually like the 3 minute.
You do?
I do. I like the 3. I have it on the 3 minute too. So I don't know why. I just like the way it looks.
Maybe the lucky number 3, right? Maybe that's something to do with it. The lucky number 3.
No, I know.
Okay.
Chart DXY is still strong. So simultaneously what I'm doing in this waiting time is on my other tab, I'm just checking the dollar index, US dollar index on TradingView, and still DXY is very, very bullish, which is an inverse relationship with the gold, because obviously if we'll check about the economic factors, the war is going on. It's and it totally depends upon the Trump tweet, what he's bluffing about the market. But right now, this DXY is strong and it has an inverse relationship with the gold. So I guess I need to give some few more minutes before I decide whether the gold will go up or not. So this is the only thing which I'm doing, because right now, according to me, no indicator, nothing is working. It's just I'm just watching that DXY, and then I will decide about the entry.
Yeah. Again, really, I mean, an outstanding performance for sure is just to wait and wait for the opportunity to come. So a couple of more minutes. And we do have time. We do have time. Actually, how much time do we have? "45 minutes."
This is usually between 45 and 30 minutes is when we start seeing more of that pressure start to build up because of time.
For sure. And especially now, trader is in the trade, Jamila is in the trade, the gold is pushing down. We want to see that win or, what's going to happen. So it is really, really interesting. Interesting time for sure. But the time pressure then gets on. And yeah, I think this is where we can witness the traders break a bit of their rules just because they start to sprint to that cash.
Yep.
Right?
Yeah.
And yeah, it's really
And it's so funny, right? Because I was just thinking about how 2% is such a small profit target, So some traders might think, oh, that's easy, that's doable, you can do that.
Yeah.
But then you see it, you see things unfold in real time, and you realize just how much effort really goes into being able to hit that profit target, as small as it is. So yeah, but I am curious to see if that over trading or that, like you said, that just throwing rules out the window starts to,
kick in. Yeah.
starts to kick in.
Yeah.
At this point, what do you got to lose? You're already losing.
Exactly right. You're in this anyway. So yeah, gold is not looking good. I'm just scared to even look at the market now. Oh my. But okay, Ricardo is doing great. We see some trades on Euro USD. Yeah, Euro USD. Gold is sometimes related to Euro USD, but I think we'll see what's going to happen. So bullish Euro USD. Looking left, there is support. Makes sense, this trade. Risk is on the high side, I would say, Ricardo. You definitely pushed up your risk a bit there. Is it like hands up, like not guilty?
It's like, I don't want them to grab my money again. Because they did. I mean, the way that gold just pushed down so rapidly.
After this, I have to run to the college. So
yeah, it was like they swept your stop loss and then it started to reject.
Okay, this is looking good. I actually really like this trade. I think maybe profit is a bit too high, to be fair, but I don't think you need the profit that high to hit your 500 anyways, because you've taken...
Obvious. Wait. You need... I only take like 80...
Calculation. This is trader's life. Always calculating numbers. Always calculating the numbers.
Yes.
Yeah, definitely. There's no need for this big profit target there, because risk is quite high. And yeah, while Ricardo is calculating, let's check in with Jamila, because gold is unfortunately pushing really high now and is going close to that break even. Break even, Jamila. You okay?
Yeah, no, I'm still okay.
Right?
I was looking at the 15-minute here. It gave us a little bit of a structure, a support here. So this 30 minutes just opened and tried to go and test that support. So I'm hoping it doesn't push further up there, because we get our resistance there, and my stop loss is just above that resistance. Also looking at the 15-minute to see what this 15-minute does. So I guess it's up to this 15 minutes that's running or the stop loss. Yeah,
Yeah.
15 minutes or the stop loss.
15 minutes under stop loss. Okay. It's like not the best place, I guess, to be, but it is what it is. So this is where we'll see what gold is going to do. And obviously, I also want to check in with Rhino Trader because he also had a sales on gold, and we will see if he's still holding the trade.
Not really. That account is gone.
That account is gone. Okay, well, you have another one, and you are in the trade, and you are in the profit. So,
Well,
yeah,
doing my best.
doing your best. Okay, right.
Have to switch
So
places.
switch places with gold and Nasdaq, right? So we're buying Nasdaq. A little small profit to kind of warm up for the account, I guess.
Well,
Yeah.
I was long on Nasdaq. I was long on DAX, but DAX is just doing nothing.
DAX is doing nothing. Okay. So we will see. Reah, I think we need to check in with Ricardo because he's getting so close to the profit target.
I know. I was just thinking that. I'm like, wow, that
Okay, that went on the run. Ricardo, are you watching your MetaTrader just so you can close your trade in time?
Well, I don't listen to you right now. Tell me, repeat, please.
Let's go. I'm getting excited, Reah. I really want to see the Euro push, and Ricardo is getting just funded. I really want to see this. So all we need to see is Euro push, which is actually happening now. Really, really good price action there. It's amazing to see.
Yeah, we see.
Yeah, the reality, I can take here after, but I join in the gold, so that's it my fault because I see this price action, but I don't take it. I don't know why. That is my error is joining with the gold in that time because I don't see the resistance.
Yeah, gold is running, and maybe gold is running, so Euro USD will follow as well because obviously they are against the dollar. So if dollar is weak, then they are running. So this is really really good to see. Just patience, I guess. Patience, and price action is good. Price action is really good. So we need $500. We're at $378. We need $500 to get funded. And we just need a couple more pips really for EU to push. And then we'll see funded trader.
Yeah.
We are getting closer. We are getting so much closer. Okay, you guys, we're on to something now. This is a big moment.
A very big moment. And now, I'm curious though, because of the way gold is moving, if Chumile ended up changing his bias.
It really took me out. Gold took me out for a loss above the previous highs. My stop loss was around here because my entry was somewhere. So my entry was somewhere here and my stop loss was above this previous high. So I'm going to reattempt to take a sell. This was the original level I wanted to take a sell at. So I'll reattempt to take a sell at this point here. Because you see, once the market, this is on 1 minute, you see a very strong down push to the downside, right? And then it did push up again. So it left an order block here, right, before this push down. and then it took out these lows. So it gave us a break of market structure here. So when it comes back, it's taking the liquidity, the internal liquidity here, and then I'll reattempt to take a sell here. At least I have a second account to count on.
Yeah. Yeah. For sure.
That second
Second
account.
opportunity. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Let's skip through all the traders. Let's quickly skip through to see what's happening. Okay, traders, how are we getting on? Are we good? Are we good? Yep, Ricardo is just drinking water. He's good. The Rhino trader is focused. Jamila's like, all is good. I'm waiting for more action, price action. So it's all good. Guys, we're literally $50 away for Ricardo to get funded. And Vicky is still waiting on the opportunity. Okay, Ricardo, let's go. Let's go. Come on. We just need a little more push. We just need a couple more.
Come on, vámonos. Everybody, let's go. Sorry, I had to do it. Anna. You know, Medora.
Oh my goodness. Okay. We're getting so close.
I need a magnet. I need a magnet right here.
You're doing good. You're doing so good.
So close to your TP, right? Almost.
It is very, very close. So we just need literally just less than a pip, and then it's good. It's done. Did it hit? Not yet. Okay, 500. And we're funded. Let's go. We have a funded trader. Let's go.
And how much time, Anna, does this funded trader have to now make 30 minutes on the clock?
30 minutes on the clock.
30 minutes to make some money. Ooh, okay. I want to see Ricardo walk away with double the payout today.
I know. So the account should be in your dashboard now, Ricardo. You need to quickly log into your dashboard and sign your agreement. So you need to go to your leverage dashboard, go to achievements, sign your contract. And then trade account. So we have a funded trader here. Let's quickly see what is Rhino Trader doing. Rhino Trader is again in buys.
Are we still trading the NASDAQ?
Well, I took some trades on gold, NASDAQ, so I'm just making some money.
Yeah. We are almost halfway through, I would say, halfway through to get funded. So you have some sprinting to do. You have to catch up with Ricardo. Have some sprinting to do.
I know.
Okay. But no pressure. Take your time.
Yeah.
Take your time.
We've got 30 minutes.
No pressure.
No pressure. Nope.
30 minutes.
No pressure at all.
And counting.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Right. So we also have Vicky with a second account. Becky is doing same thing as Ricardo did. Hands up. Hands up.
I guess today is not my day. So obviously every trader would be a millionaire if everything is in favor of them. So I tried my true trades. It didn't work. I was waiting for something, then I thought, it will be a downtrend again as per my EMA. But the moment I took trade, I think this gold is taking me personally. I mean, every trader think, the gold is the enemy for that particular person, because the moment we open a trade, everything is against us. I checked everything. I had my notes, but the only thing which I would like to say is today is not my day. I'm just waiting for those 30 minutes. Let's see how it goes.
Mm-hmm.
So I have a question, Vicky. If this was just a regular day trading for you and you weren't, with us and you felt like it wasn't your day, would you have stopped trading by now? Or would you have tried to keep going?
I would love to explain this with an example because the maximum, risk per trade for most of the platform is 1%. But for the safer side, I took 0.7 to 0.8%, and that remaining 0.2 as a buffer because we don't know about the candles. If like a slippage occurs, something happens, so there might be chances that the account will be terminated. So I would love to explain it with the get leverage account which I have, yeah, the turbo account. The target is, I would say, it's 6%, right?
It is 6%.
So yes, I was already on a 5.5. Then something happened. I moved on to 3. I can do, I can lose my patience and do a random trade and everything. But it's been 4 to 5 days now. I'm, just trading small, controlling my emotions in order to, get that turbo account. So it's like it's all about the from last 4 years. The only thing which I've learned is it's okay. Every day is not the same day, but if your risk management, if you are consistent, if you can control your emotions, the end of the story is like if we can control our emotions, it's okay. If today is not a good day, tomorrow might be a day in our favor. So let's see.
Yeah. And that happens. Some days are just not your day, you know? So part of discipline as a trader is knowing that, being able to identify when it's not your day and then make that tough call to say, you know what, I'll try again later or I'll try again tomorrow.
It's okay if it's not. It's better to save our account. That's my first priority, as I already mentioned. So it's okay. Take a deep breath. Just see what market is doing, and let's see. It's for me. It's like let's trade tomorrow. Nothing
Yeah.
for today. Close everything, and I want to save my account at any cost.
Okay. I want to go to Ricardo. Hey, Ricardo, I know you went away. You need to come back. Did you manage to log in into your funded account? Because it should be active now. Should be active now and should be able to trade. Ricardo is away. We need to wait for
Come
him because
back.
I want to know if he managed to log in into the account.
Pero ¿dónde estás? Where are you at?
Where are you at? Where are you at? And obviously Rhino traders as well. Like Rhino is catching up with profit targets.
Yeah.
How we're looking at what is your equity at? 225, 105. Okay, there we go. Okay, Ricardo is back. We need to check in with Ricardo if he is able to log in into your funded account, and are you able to trade?
Yeah, I am, bro.
Okay,
Yeah,
logged in.
yeah.
Okay. Okay, perfect. So time shows now there's how much left?
$27 minutes.
27 minutes left, and we have a funded trader. There's
Thank
27 minutes on the clock, and we have a funded trader, and possibly get a payout. So this is definitely getting very, 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 very exciting.
Yeah, and I'm actually really excited for Rhino Trader to see if he will get funded as well before this 27 minutes is up.
I'm halfway there, but
Halfway there.
we'll see.
Yeah, but we'll see.
Yeah, the NAS is looking good so far.
We'll see.
We will see. We will see. Okay.
Let's take a look.
Jamila is trading as well. We have traders trading everywhere. Everyone is trading, which is really, really good to see. So that's great. That is great.
And is Jamila still trading gold?
Yeah. Trading gold, selling gold. Waiting for that opportunity, I guess. Yeah. But gold is gold is interesting. Gold is interesting for sure. Are we going to go lower? Because this is a really good level. I think, Chimila, is this oh no, this is not the first level that you were waiting for, or is it?
Yeah, this is the first level I was waiting for.
Yeah. So this is really interesting to see if gold is now going to pick up and go lower. So we'll be able to see. It's a waiting game, I guess. While Rhino is trying to chase Ricardo on the funded account. Can we see that?
I'm not trying. I'm
You're
not trying.
You're not
No,
trying.
I'm not trying.
Okay.
I'm doing my best.
Doing my best. And you're very close. You're almost like halfway through.
You know that one? Touch my finger. Try to touch it.
Where is it?
Just try. Don't touch it. Just try. That's trying for me. I'm doing my best.
Oh my goodness. Right. Okay, so you have a couple of trades going on. You know what? Actually, I see that I think Euro USD is going lower. There was actually a good sell opportunity on this, and gold is following, which is really good for Chumila, obviously. And also Rhino Trader. We are all in profit. Everyone is in profit. We are in the profit. In the profit we go. Okay, let's.
This is good.
Chumila, can you please make sure that your take profit is actually at 500s and not lower?
Okay,
Because I don't think you need to be that low. I think you need to go. Here we go. Just a bit lower. Perfect. Perfect. We don't want to repeat the same. We don't want to repeat the same thing. Okay.
Okay, no, let's put it there this time.
Okay, let's check in with Ricardo if he managed to take the first trade on funded account. Ricardo, did you manage to take a first trade? And I see that you did. We are in profit currently. We are in profit. Let's go. $42. 33. Good. And see, I said Euro USD sells and he's selling. So hey, I'm doing good. Well done.
Yes, very good.
This is really good. So this is a funded account, and we'll have double the payout. So we are just waiting to see. And Ricardo, you are in the charge, right? You are in charge.
Yeah.
So
That's
you can
good.
decide when you want to stop, how you want to stop. So, and remember that your profit gets doubled.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Ray, it's 22 minutes.
22 minutes. I am very excited to see how these last 20 minutes are going to unfold.
For sure.
I definitely think that there's potential there for a Rhino Trader to secure a funded account.
But these are all our traders here. Ricardo is funded. Rhino Trader is halfway through. Jamila is in the profit. Vicky is still holding on there, I guess, right? Still holding on. Was not your day, but still holding on. Still holding on. Okay.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Beautiful. I'm excited. Actually, we need to speak with Ricardo because if he is securing a payout, is he there? Is he not? Who knows? Can't see.
He's
Ricardo?
there. He's there.
Are you there?
He's just
Wait,
not.
I put it the limits.
Okay. You're okay. You have now
Taking
two
a
trades open.
little selling.
Okay.
This
So
is
just
so small
go
because
slowly.
It's gonna go up. So
Okay. I see what
Euro USD selling off. Okay, this is good. Ricardo, you did provide your crypto wallet address. Maybe you can tell me what kind of wallet address is this? Is it Bitcoin or what kind of network?
USDT.
Yeah, and what kind of network? Is it Tron or Ethereum?
No, it's it's in Binance, but I use the wait.
It's okay. I
Normally,
get it.
normally I use the BTC.
Yes, but we need to have USDT, either ERC network or TR.
TRC and the TRC.
It's DRC, but is it USDT?
Yeah, but
USDT TRC. Okay, I'm just preparing. Okay.
Very exciting.
Very. I have preparations to do here. Euro USD selling. Everything is looking really good, I guess. I think so.
I think the traders are doing wonderful today. Jamile, we're still on gold. Okay.
Gold is going somewhere.
It is.
Gold is going somewhere.
We've got a little bit of a, let's see what it's going to do. The heat is on.
Mm-hmm.
The heat is on. Is that a song? I feel like that's a song from the 80s.
I don't know, but the pressure is definitely getting a bit higher. So maybe we can check in with the Rhino trader to see where he is at equity. Equity is at 264, so over halfway through. Okay, and Ricardo, how is Ricardo looking? Can you please share your MT5 with us so we can see where you are at? There we go, 70. So remember, this gets doubled. So whatever you make, you get doubled, and you don't need to trade for 2 hours. You can request a payout anytime, any moment. So, and we have 17 minutes left. So this is totally up to you what you decide to do.
I think I put the Euro USD break even.
Okay, you put the Euro USD at break even. Okay, right. So selling gold, selling Euro USD, and also Chumila is selling gold. 70 could be 140. Chumila is still waiting. We really do need to have some like huge volatility to push to that take profit. We want to see.
Yeah.
It is going like it's so slow, and it's like it's just so slow. When we need volatility, it's not there.
It's not
How
there.
come? How come it's not there?
And when we don't need it, it's there. So it's the opposite. When we need it, when we don't need it.
Well, Euro USD moves moving lower. That's what our funded trader is trading. Gold is also trying to move lower, I guess, but still not really. Moving slowly. Right, Becky. Just let's quickly check in with Becky. Yes, Becky, you can open 2 trades on the same asset. You are allowed to do that. You are.
So now we only have 15 or 14 minutes left. So I guess it's better to just check how it goes. That's why I was asking, in order to check whether I'm not breaching any rule or something like this. Thank you so much for confirming.
Right. No, definitely you can open more trades on the same asset. So just adding more, doubling the risk if you want to as well, especially because now you have last minutes and you can I guess sprint to that cash. I've been using this so many times today. Sprint to that cash.
Don't walk, run.
It's totally up to you.
Run to it.
Okay.
I need water. I lost my water.
No, you need water. Ricardo, how about if you check in maybe your wallet address in USDT? So it has to be USDT and network TRC or ERC. So
Yeah,
it cannot
it's
be
in TRC.
Bitcoin. Is it TRC? But that's
Yeah,
not
it's
USDT. It's the Bitcoin wallet address you have provided. So you need to send USDT.
Okay, let me check.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Come on, guys. Say something.
Hello.
Hello,
Good
Reno. What's happening?
Yes, what's
Nothing.
happening?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing. That's the part.
We still have 14 minutes, so
I
something
know,
must
but
be happening.
I need gold to do something. Either take me out or leave me alone.
Sometimes things get a little slow, a little choppy around 11:30 in the morning, New York.
Yeah, people are going to lunch.
Yeah, it's about that time.
It's lunchtime, bedtime, all sorts of times. I know. Well, we'll see.
We will see.
We will see.
It's moving really nicely. Euro is moving nicely. USD is moving nicely. So I'm sure Ricardo is in a good profit now.
Oh, yeah.
$93. So that's double. Everything is double. And obviously we do have a profit share of 80. Okay, we secured the first profits. So let's go. First profits are in. Jamila is applauding. Let's go, you guys. Let's go. We have first profits.
Let's go.
Oh,
I'll share my wallet with you.
Share the wallet. Let's go.
Yeah. Share the wallet with Ricardo. Go, Ricardo.
Go, Ricardo. Come on, let's go. So obviously also Ricardo is in gold sales. So we want to see gold go
I'm gonna
lower.
pass you.
Oh my goodness. Right. Guys, I cannot see the chat. Like, I don't know why I cannot see the chat. So Ricardo, can you, like, our Ricardo here, not this Ricardo, can you please Slack it to me, the wallet address if Ricardo shared?
Yeah, I'm going in right now.
Okay, perfect. So, okay, so we need to go and check what's happening because gold is pushing higher. What is Ricardo going to do? Is Ricardo going to leave the trade or what are you going to do? Because you have secured.
Yeah, I prefer secure.
Secure. Okay, $100. Are you going to stay there? You still have 12 minutes to trade. So this is up to you. You can either take another position or you can secure that and we double your payout, which means $160. Yeah. It's not bad. Not bad at all.
Nice. It's okay. For example, for a LATAM, in LATAM, it's so good. No one pays 160 in a week.
Okay, so for 2 hours is not bad then, hey?
No, not at all.
Okay. 11 minutes.
11 minutes.
So Ricardo has secured his profit, but Rhino is still, still can happen. Many things can happen,
11.
Many things can happen.
that joke with the Irish guys in the elevator. 11. Do you remember that? It was a video on YouTube. And they were talking to a voice-operated elevator. 11. 11.
Oh yeah, I know. 11. That's like Scottish accent. Because obviously I lived in Scotland for 13 years, so I know what you're talking about.
11.
11. 11. It is the funny thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. So, Rhino,
Come
you're
on, gold.
halfway through.
Halfway through and a little bit lower than this. Just one spike like Nasdaq did, or all the others. So just a little bit spike down, please.
Mm.
I'm not hoping. I'm just begging.
At this point, it's like I'm just begging. At this point, just give it to me for goodness.
Just give it to me now. I'm not even praying. I'm just saying it. Just give it to me, and that's it.
Yeah. Okay, let's quickly go back to Ricardo just to make sure that we can pay Ricardo. Ricardo, did you share your wallet address with us? Where did you share it? Because I need to have it.
In the text, in the chat.
Right. Where's our Ricardo? Can you please Slack it to me? Thank you. And it's or Reah, can you please do that? Would be nice.
I can see the chat.
So I will get that to you in the moment, I guess. So it's USDT TRC network?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So you're not going to take any more trades, Ricardo?
Sure, but the market is going. It's gonna wait. Oh no! No, I don't see more trade right now.
Nah, you don't need
buy
it
right here, but because we have a lot of liquidity bigger out here. But in the 4 hours, I see full selling in euro dollar. All of this fell up. All this is liquidity, so yeah,
Okay.
it's full selling right now.
Like Ray, I got the wallet address, so I am going to send it right now. So Ricardo, can you please tell us, just show us MT5 so we can see amount that you made, which is 102.60, right? 102.60 minus 80% is 20.52. $82.08 and times 2 is 164.16. That's what's coming your way. 164.16. Yay. Right. Okay. There we go.
No, I finished that. That's for me, all for me.
That's all for you. Yes, no more. Please don't, because you definitely cannot.
For Ricardo, I sent. Wait.
No, you're all good. You are all good. So you need to keep an eye on your wallet, on your crypto wallet. Keep an eye on your crypto wallet. This is exciting times, you guys.
It's very exciting.
Is Rhino Trader still in the game? Because we have 6 minutes left.
Yeah, I'm in the game.
Yeah.
Closer.
You're still in the game.
Closer. So that's my TP there. If that is reached, then I'm... Oh, come on. Oh, fire. It's got some volatility now. Look, it's just there.
Yeah, it is just there. So
didn't touch it.
Yep. Oh my, it's now back. Right. Okay, let's check in with Ricardo because Ricardo, how is
Yeah.
your wallet looking?
Oh, wait.
Oh, wait. This is an exciting moment. And good thing you stayed out of the market. Good thing you stayed out because yeah, market is doing some crazy stuff there.
Yeah.
And also you secured the payments, like your profit. And now, as we can see, dollar is completely getting strength. No, actually weak.
Yeah, I
Dollar is
got it.
getting weak.
I got it.
Mhm.
You got it. You guys, we have the payments. Double the profit.
Nice.
Let's go, guys. So Ricardo is our sprint to cash winner and double the payments in less than 2 hours. And we still have 4 minutes on the clock. This is what I'm talking about. Amazing.
Absolutely.
Okay. Chamile, what you're thinking?
No, nothing to say. Thank you for that opportunity.
Oh,
This is gonna help me for pay my college. So that is
Aw.
that is the
That's
goal for the trading because I use the trade like wait like a hobby to pay my college right now. So
wow.
We love
Well
that.
deserved. Well deserved.
Yes, well
Well
deserved.
deserved for sure.
for
Very
Amazing.
example, right now the 12 o'clock I have classes. So right now, so later of this I have to shower and go out.
Amazing.
Oh yeah,
I
that is.
really love his positive mindset. He knows like when to exit the market because obviously forex market is something which changes within a fraction of a second. If he would take off 2-3 more minutes in order to check the trade, you can see the moment you stop trading, it's 2 times like the candle is still doing something silly. I can't explain it whether what exactly is going on, but still it's like pullback, or I would say not a pullback, but let's see what's going on. He did the fantabulous job, Ricardo. Congratulations.
Uh, thanks.
Yeah. Amazing. Amazing. So, and hopefully this experience as well, guys, will help you in your trading journey because all these emotions that you got here, maybe you can apply them, in the future and see what to do, what not to do. And definitely, because what Reah said in the beginning, this is trading under the pressure, right? And normally you don't have that pressure. So maybe this pressure will teach you something. So that's really, really good. Okay,
Absolutely.
Reah.
Yeah. How much time do we have?
Whole 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
We have whole 2 minutes left.
2 minutes. Man.
Oh my goodness. And Rhino Trader is still trading.
Yeah,
Still trying the best, right?
doing my best, not
Doing
trying.
your best. Doing
You know
your
that
best.
what Yoda, the great philosopher Yoda, said:
Mm-hmm.
"Do or not do. There is no try."
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Now it's now, fortunately, I can't make it. I've lost 2
Mhm.
small trades on Nasdaq, and if I wasn't losing them, then my profit, my TP would have been higher on gold. But yeah,
Mhm.
What would you say
I
has
tried
been,
to make it. Say again.
I was going to say, what would you say has been like the maybe the most challenging part of your trading session today?
It was the interaction with the others as well, which was really nice. And then at some point, the most challenging part was I've lost myself and strategy and everything. So all went down the hill. I couldn't follow anything, and just follow the market basically. Just looking at the market. Okay, basic structure, support, resistance, and that's it.
Yeah.
I did my best to say something stupid online. So kind of chill a bit, but
Big personality. Sometimes that helps with nerves.
For sure.
sometimes,
Yeah.
only sometimes, but not all the time.
Right. Okay. Well, we're getting very, very close to finish the last minute of this sprint to cash. So
Uh-oh.
last
Wait.
seconds, I guess.
I need 3.
Last seconds on the clock. We have less than 30 seconds. We have our winner, Ricardo, who already requested and got the paid right here, right now. So it's been amazing. You all did great. So last couple of seconds now. Just
That's right.
last couple of seconds. Almost like that's it. Beep, beep, beep.
Beep, beep, beep.
And sprint to cash is finished.
And there
done.
you have it. There you have it. 4 traders. We have 1 funded account, 1 payout secured, and the sprint was complete for Mr.
It was.
Ricardo today. So congratulations, Ricardo.
The cat joining in.
Yeah, and for the rest of our traders, you guys did phenomenal as well, and you should be very proud of yourselves. I mean, it's a lot. Normally, when we trade by ourselves, right? So we're not interacting with other people. We're in the zone. We're focused. So it takes a great deal of a lot to multitask between talking, but also focusing on our craft. So we commend you guys for being able to do that today.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Well done, you guys. And so good to see a double the payout and all the interesting talks that we had as well, little psychology things and what the market are doing. And also, you know what? I feel like we need to say thank you to the market for giving us that volatility that was needed, right? So definitely.
Nice push.
Yeah, today we have a lot of volatility.
Yeah, we do. We do.
Absolutely. Well, that is
And
it. Oh, go ahead.
thank you, Anna and Reah, so much. I appreciate the structure of this challenge. It like I would say, closely simulates a real trading experience. It was a great interaction with other traders to seen their discipline execution. And yes, thank you, Get Leveraged, for this opportunity to participate. Hope to see such tournaments in the future as well. Thank you.
Great.
Thank you, Vicky.
The same words. Thank you to Reah and Anna for that opportunity to read.
Of course.
Thank you. We appreciate all of you.
Absolutely. And Ricardo, once again, you did an amazing job, phenomenal job. Just, how you executed everything and how you sit there and how you did everything. And although, you took the second chance because you blew first account, the goal just, didn't do as you wanted it to do. But the second account, it was great.
Excellent.
It was really good.
Yeah.
Well done.
Excellent.
Well done. What a pleasure. What a pleasure to be here with you guys. Totally enjoyed my 2 hours with you. It was great. Okay. Well, Reah, I think it's time to finish up then.
Farewell. 4 traders, 2 hours, and 1 winner today. This has been Sprint to Cash.
Live market. Real pressure. No delays. Just execution. In real time. This is Sprint to Cash.